All right, traders, what's going on? This is the watch list video for Wednesday, October 12th. The SPY, again, I always talk about these levels. The 360 levels been talked about by a lot of traders, and these levels don't make it easy for either side. We did close now below that 360, but look at the intraday for those of you that didn't trade today. Gap down, got all the way down to like 356. It started to feel like, okay, 360's in the rear view mirror, and then it rips for the next, well, rips isn't the slow climb is more like it, right? For the next several hours, and then near the end of the day rolls back over. So again, it's not making it easy. People trying to trade the overall market around these levels, which is probably a big reason why I'm a day trader. So here's what we're watching, or here's what I'm watching anyway for tomorrow. SNTI, probably one of my favorites, had this huge move. 3 days lower, more narrow range today, right there in that buy zone. Goes right back on bounce watch for tomorrow. Tesla, I don't know. This thing is pretty ugly and it's overdue for a bounce. But the one thing that bothers me about Tesla is when the SPY ripped today, this one never broke its early high. As a matter of fact, it rolled over, I think, before the market did. So it's definitely getting sold right now. So I don't love it, but I'm just going to put it on bounce watch. Because it is definitely oversold. I'm putting Sober SOBR back on watch. Gapped up yesterday and tried to challenge these recent highs, but then went out at the lows, and then another red day, and it's right back down to support. So I'm putting SOBR on bounce watch. I don't love it, but I'm putting it on watch. EVH, pretty beaten up over about 4 sessions. Getting pretty close to some support over in this area, so I'm going to put it on bounce watch. I threw Disney DIS on bounce, which I'd like to see, especially like if the market sells off. I'd love to see Disney like flush 90. I'd be a buyer down below that on an intraday basis if we get a reversal setup that we teach. Coin relative strength today. Look at this one. Speak of squinky, right? Coin gapped up on good news and then completely rolled over. And then I guess you could argue kind of did what the market did. And then kind of grinded higher over the next few hours. But it definitely had relative strength today. Some kind of deal with Google or something that really sounded pretty good. So coin held up pretty well today. BEAT I had on bounce watch. We did get a big bounce in it today. I'm going to put it on watch again tomorrow. And then lastly, not a very big list, right? Lastly, ILAG, great relative strength the last couple days to the overall market. And short and sweet tonight because I don't have a lot to watch. We'll add gappers to this list in the pre-market and hope to make some money between the bells tomorrow. All right, have a good night.